It won't be very long. Courage, my soul, and let us journey on. I did it. I'm in the north of Denmark now. Drove 1,400 kilometers to be here, and tomorrow the ferry will leave from here to Norway. Anyways, time for a swim. Oh, this day is so fun. Let's do one of those, like big reveal of the hand. It's amazing. Like, I'm very glad that I drove another hour today and I didn't just stay at that shit little place that I was before. Oh, there's even a little waterfall. Look at it. Good morning. Now that's a view to wake up to, huh? Okay, the weather's good enough, so I'm going for a quick drone shot. I want to go like fly around here and then in the end come in here, just land on here, disarm. We'll see how it turns out. I have to go up there, over, and then I actually get on a man-made path again, or like for the first time actually, and then like 1 more kilometer or so, and then I'm at Kjærsjøen. So didn't look that steep on the map. I was like, yeah, maybe I can do it, maybe I have to find another way. Look at how steep this is. This is like the path where I thought I might be able to go. Like, what the f did I see this? Always means I won't have like a shot perfectly set up and I'm ready to go. But the good thing is now that I'm completely drenched, I can do shit like this. And not give a f. Alright, so today is another rainy day. I decided to take a chill and actually also do some home improvements. So you see this one? It's ugly and disgusting, like it's falling apart. Like you can't actually use it because like it's like so slimy in there. It's disgusting. So I want to take this away and just gone to IKEA and got myself this board. Gonna mount it over here, and then I got some things for it. I don't know what I will actually need. Like I will just go for it, and then I mean IKEA is still right here, so like literally right here. But yeah. That is like, it's like some material that's 30 years old and it's made to only last like 10 years. actually don't have any footage of me showing it off in the end. Like, this shit is amazing. I love it. Also, I hung up the quad just for fun because I thought it would look cool, and it's actually very useful, so I'm just actually keeping it there. But yeah, really nice. Oh, it's so bright. It's a place for the night. I've really been enjoying like just driving, and then I see a place, I'm like, oh, I want to go fly with the drone here, and then I just did it. Like, there was this nice little house in the lake, and so nerve-wracking to fly the drone over water again, but turned out just fine. I only did it twice though. Like, I could have done the third battery, but like I could have done it like just a little better, like basically taking it from like 70% to 90%, but I'd rather have a lot of 70% clips than very few 90% clips, honestly. So yeah. Also, I just love hanging out on the roof because like I don't have any chairs for sitting outside, so the roof it is. Like 6 in the morning. I'm on my way to yeah, I'm already nervous for the drone flight, but there is some sun, so some good weather is about to come up, which is amazing. I gotta use that. If anything goes wrong, I lose it. Like it's just gonna fall down. I'm actually very nervous for it, but got like 10 minutes to drive and I'm there. My plan didn't work. There's like 1,000 people already. It's 7 in the morning. There are like people coming towards me. They've already finished the whole hike.